Canvas Conversations is where the story behind the art is shared. It's the place where paintings are remembered, lessons are discovered, experiments are revisited, artistic growth is explored, and every pour becomes a part of a larger journey. When I say it all started in the kitchen, I'm talking about my fluid art journey. My creative journey began long before that, through art classes, poetry, teachers, curiosity, and the quiet beginnings of learning to trust my own voice. Before the first pour, before the kitchen counter, before the paint began to move across the canvas, there were school art memories, creative sparks, and artists online who helped me see what was possible. There were art fairs that gave me a place to share what I had created, teachers who encouraged me, and moments that helped shape the artist I would become. This episode is about the pieces that came together before I entered this fluid art era. When I look back, my creative journey started long before acrylic pouring. At South Shore High School, art was already a part of my life. Miss Coffee helped nurture the creative side of me through studio art class. Mr. Shapiro helped me understand the powers of words, storytelling, and my voice. Looking back now, I can see that both of them helped shape the artist I would become. Miss Coffee helped me see that art did not have to stay in one lane. In studio art class, we used different materials, textures, fibers, and homemade elements. Back then, I may not have had the language for it, but today I will call that mixed media. She helped me understand that crafting and fine art could meet in the same creative space. Mr. Shapiro gave me a different kind of creative foundation. Through writing and poetry, he helped me pour my emotions into words. During my sophomore year, several of my poems were published in the annual poetry book, and that gave me confidence in my voice. One teacher helped me see what could be made with my hands. The other helped me understand what could be expressed from my heart. Both of them helped me shape the artist I would become. After those early creative roots, years later, I found another kind of classroom. YouTube became the university for fluid art. I watched artists share their process, their experiments, their tools, their success, and sometimes even the paintings that did not turn out as planned. Artists like Annemarie Ridderhof, Annie's Art Studio, MelyD Artist, Mixed Media Girl, and Myriam's Nature helped me learn by watching, studying, and practicing. Their willingness to share helped me understand that fluid art was not just about paint pouring. It was also about curiosity, patience, movement, discovery, and the courage to experiment with new approaches. And then, in 2017, I started in the kitchen. Not a studio, not with perfect tools, not with a polished setup, just a kitchen counter, paint, curiosity, and the willingness to try. That was where I made my first tree ring pour and where I started experimenting with acrylic pouring. Those early paintings may not have been perfect, but they were important. They were the beginning of this fluid art era of my creative journey. Looking back, I can see that this journey did not happen all at once. It was school art, teachers, encouragement, curiosity, online learning, trial and error, and the willingness to keep creating. The kitchen may have been where my fluid art era began, but the artist was already forming long before that. Every part of this journey mattered, and this was only the beginning. Until next time, keep creating and keep looking for the details. Peace, love, and spirit.